Okay, this is Zach right here. He's the Grom at the shop. He thinks that he's hot. And he wants to race me on taking a tube and tire off and then reinstalling it. I think he's gonna do good, and this is gonna be real interesting. So we're gonna start with a flat tire, and we're gonna completely demount the tire and remove the tube and then reinstall it all the correct way. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, my man behind the camera is gonna count us down.
And in 3, 2, 1, and go.
Start. I had a bad start too. No.
We need commentary.
Alright.
Oh man.
Oh, Corbin is way behind.
Oh, buddy.
So much for that, all that talk.
I know, right?
So tired.
Inspect the tube. You have to inspect the tube.
Yeah, did you check the rim for the tire?
I can inspect it. We gotta take it off. Alright. Turn on the
Change,
hand.
not a...
Turn on the hand.
This was taking forever.
I was riding the stroker bus pretty hard in the beginning.
True. Oh, I think we'll have one winner.
Can't get it over. No. Good job.
Nope. Suck it, loser.
I can't. I had it in the lead. No.
And he got it. Can you celebrate? Celebrate. There you go.